In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools in Excel, specifically using ChatGPT to enhance your Excel sheet experience. Let's dive right in and make our Excel tasks more efficient with the power of AI. First things first, we need to access ChatGPT. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. It's a simple step, but a crucial one to ensure we're all on the same page. Once you've landed on the Google homepage, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will bring up a list of results related to ChatGPT, a versatile AI tool that can assist with a variety of tasks, including those involving Excel sheets. From the search results, click on the ChatGPT website link. This takes you directly to the platform where you can interact with the AI. It's important to use the official site to ensure you're using the tool safely and effectively. Now that you're on the ChatGPT site, it's time to enter a prompt. Think of this as giving instructions to the AI. For example, you might have an Excel sheet where column E has product cost and column F has quantity sold. In this scenario, you would ask the AI to provide a formula for cell D2 to calculate the total revenue by multiplying cost and quantity. This is just an example, but feel free to tailor your prompts to suit your specific needs. Once you've entered your prompt, go ahead and click the Submit button. This sends your request to the AI, which will quickly process it and provide a precise response. This step is crucial as it directly links to how well the AI can assist you. After submitting, you'll receive a code or formula from ChatGPT. In our example, this would be the formula to calculate total revenue based on product cost and quantity sold. Your next task is to select and copy this code. Make sure you get the entire formula to avoid any errors when transferring it to Excel. Now, it's time to switch gears and open your Excel sheet. Navigate to the specific location where you'd like to apply the formula. Usually, this will be the cell that matches your AI-generated instruction, which we identified earlier as D2. Once you've selected your target cell, click into the formula bar. This is typically located at the top of your Excel interface and is the spot where you'll directly enter or paste formulas. Click inside it to prepare for the next move. With the formula bar active, paste the copied code from ChatGPT into this space. If you've followed along, this should be straightforward and you'll see the formula ready to execute. Finally, press Enter on your keyboard. This simple action will apply the formula to your selected cell, and you should immediately see the result of your calculation reflected in Excel. And just like that, you've harnessed the power of AI to streamline your Excel tasks. Using ChatGPT in conjunction with Excel can significantly enhance your productivity and accuracy. Keep practicing and experimenting with different prompts to see all the possibilities AI offers for Excel management. Thank you for joining, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Enjoy your newfound Excel efficiency.